So, hi dear Pisces, a very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is a 7 days, 7 Oshos and tarot card messages for you guys for the week of 19th till the 25th of August. Okay, I'm going to pull one card for each day. You can take it as message or guidance or just answer to your spiritual questions or any kind of questions, in fact. Okay, and let's start. If you want to be a professional tarot card reader like me, you can start your journey by purchasing my course. The link is in the description box for the same. If you want to start your self-healing journey with Ho'oponopono but don't know from where to start, you can definitely start by purchasing my masterclass. Again, the link is in the description box for the same, and it has the power to change your life for the rest of your life. Trust me on that. I'm doing it from a very long time now. And if you want one-on-one healing sessions or personal readings, you can check out the description box and you can mail me for the same. So let's start. Pisces, let's see 7 days, 7 messages for Pisces people for this week. How it is going to be for you guys. Completion today. Pisces, today you are going to find the missing piece of the puzzle, something that you're not able to finish or complete, or something that is kind of keeping you stuck in some kind of loop. One step away, one action, one step, or just one thing from your side, and that task is going to be completed, that task is going to be finished, and something is coming to fruition, something is going to be completed. Do not give up. If you are in this energy of giving up on something or someone that you feel like is never going to happen or never going to shift or never going to change, especially if it is a work or task or something related to any kind of completion. I don't know what kind of completion of a cycle it is, but you're just one step away. Do not give up. Okay. Second message we have for 20th of August is silence. The more you are going to listen to yourself, the more you're going to go inside of you. Instead of trying to find the answers outside of you, the more you're going to go inside, the more you're going to listen to your intuition, the more you're going to stay calm. You're going to find your answers within yourselves out of the blue. You're going to feel like, oh my God, I got my answer out of the blue. You will start getting your answers. You're going to be like, oh my God, this is epiphany. This is some kind of awareness. This is some kind of miracle that I am getting my answer to the problem that I'm facing from a very long time, and I was trying to find it from outside of me. And you're going to get it when you're going to be silent, when you're going to be with yourself, and when you're going to listen to your intuition, listen to your inner voice. On the 21st of August, we have the projections. Okay, you might see people, situations, things for what they are not. Try to see things, people, situations, and things for what they are, instead of making projections, making false projections that, okay, this person can never do that, this person is not going to betray me, or this situation is never going to betray me. So things, people, and situations, see them for what they are instead of trying to make your own meanings or definitions about them. Okay, and otherwise you are going to be in a very troublesome kind of a place in some way, shape, or form. I don't know how, but just see things and people and situations for what they are instead of trying to make other meanings or definitions. 22nd of August, we have the rebel. Pisces, on 22nd of August, you might have to take a stand for yourself. You might have to go against certain people or situations, because you have to stand for yourself. You might stand out in some way, shape, or form in a situation. People might think that you are being drama queen or drama king, or you are doing something that you should not be doing or something. But if you feel something is right for you, if you feel this is the only solution left, do that, because you have to get out of a chained situation. You are going to break free from a situation that is not serving you anymore. Other people might think that you are being drama king or queen here, but you know what you are doing. Okay, just don't overdo that, but yes, take a stand for yourself. It's very important, especially if somebody or something is trying to chain you down in some way, shape, or form. Nobody likes to be controlled. Nobody likes to be told what to do. So Pisces, in this day, on this particular day, you might have to take a stand for yourself, and might be other people will not like it, but do it anyway, because this is your life. So it's like my life, my rules kind of a thing. I'm sorry to say that. It sucks, but it's coming like that only for you. So yeah. Okay, so we have 19, 20, 21, 22. 23rd of August, we have the politics. Okay, see, I'm telling you, something might happen. See people and things and situations for what they are. Something is going on behind your back that you might not be able to see at this particular moment or time. It could be related to a business, job, or career area. Very high chances it could be related to business, job, career area. If you are doing business with a partner, if you're doing with a if you're doing it in multiple partnerships, at least one or two people in that group are not what they are like showing you. So there might be some kind of manipulations or some kind of games going on behind your back that you might not be able to see right now. But try not to share details that are not important or your secrets to anybody, or just don't trust people blindly. Trusting people blindly might cost you a lot. Okay, in this particular week at least. 24th of August, rebirth. I do see you being in this energy of enough of this bullshit, enough of being a nice person, enough of being naive, or enough of being like in a certain way from a very long time. You are going to get up and you're going to find yourself in this position. I have to do something different. I have to have a different kind of energy, because the more I am going to be in the past energies or past behavior, the more it's kind of stopping my progress or growth. So I do see you having a rebirth, epiphany, an awareness that the old ways of living, the old ways of thinking, old ways of doing things are not working out for you anymore. So you should be changing something big, big, big time, and you are going to do that. You are going to suddenly wake up and you're going to feel like I have to change a lot of things in my life, because I can't like I can't keep going like this. I need to shift. I need to change, and you're going to do that finally. 25th of August, we have the experiencing. Because of your experience, your wisdom, your knowledge till this point, you should thank your stars, you should thank the universe for whatever you have gone through. Because of this experience, you will be able to get out of a situation just like that very smoothly, because you have gone through this kind of shit in your life before as well. You might experience something again, and because of your experience in that field, in that, and your knowledge, your wisdom, you will be able to get out of that situation just like a piece of cake, just like a piece of cheese, like, yeah, butter. Okay, and you will be like, okay, I know how to handle this. And people might take your advice, or people might use your wisdom or knowledge to get out of certain kind of situation that's not that much good. So it's like using the experience, yeah, experiencing the experience. So yeah, thank you so much, and I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, God bless you, namaste.